You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is how to generate QR code of a text and how to decode that QR code to get text. This program has two parts. In first part we will generate QR code and in second part we will scan that QR code and decode that image. Here I am using Anaconda command prompt for running the program and Notepad as a text editor. To generate QR code, we need QR code package. So first of all, we will have to install QR code package by using pip manager. First write pip install QR code to install QR code package. To calculate the shape of QR code, we will use NumPy package. By using OpenCV package, we will read the QR code and decode it. Start coding. First of all, we will import all necessary packages. Import QR code. Second, import NumPy as NP. Next, we will import CV2 package of OpenCV for image processing. Now we will create a function to generate QR code. Here we will pass the text for which we want to create the QR code as a parameter in this function. It's called data. In this function, we will create a global file name variable for accessing the file name of our QR code. Next, we will create and initiate our QR code object. Here we will use QR code function. So QR equal to QR code dot capital QR code. Here capital QR code is the function of QR code package. Here we will pass different parameters. First argument is version. Here we are using version 1 of QR code for generating our QR image. Next is the size of our QR code, that is the square size. So here I am using 10. 10 means 10 pixels. And last is border. What is the breadth of our QR code? Here I am setting border equal to 4. Now we will feed our text data in this QR code object. So we will use QR dot add data parenthesis data. Here dot add underscore data is the function to feed our data to QR code object. Here we will make the image of our QR code in memory by using qr.make function. Next we will calculate the shape of our QR code. We will calculate number of rows and number of columns of our image. First of all, we will get the matrix of our QR image. Then we will convert this matrix into two-dimensional array by using np.array function and then calculate the shape of this two-dimensional array in the form of rows and columns. Next, we will fix the foreground and background color of our QR image. Generally, the background of QR image is white and foreground color is black. Here we will select the same colors. Here we will use make underscore image function to paint our QR code. Here first of all we will select fill color. Fill colors mean foreground colors, that is black, and second is back color, that is the background color. Back color equal to white. In this way, we have created our QR code. Now we will save this QR image. Here I am not using any type of open dialog box or save dialog box. You can use tkinter package for GUI. Here we are asking the file name by the user using input function. Here our QR code is saved in same folder where our source code file is stored. I am storing QR image as a JPG image because JPG takes very less space with good quality. By using .save function, we will save our QR code file. Next question is how to print the QR code image without using GUI. Directly we cannot print this image. To do this, we will use the capability of our OpenCV package. We will read the image by using imRead function of CV2. Then we will print this image using imShow function of CV2. That will just pop up a window and display the image in that window. Here we will set wait key as a 0. It means whenever we will press any key, it just close the window and release the memory occupied by CV2 package. Destroy all windows function just release the memory occupied by CV2. Now we will create main function. Here user will input the text for which we will create our QR code. First of all, declare file name as a global. Next, ask the user to insert the data by using input function, and then we will execute our QR code image function. At last we will print the image name. In this way we just created the QR code making function. Now we will execute our main function. This is the completion of our first part. Now we will run the program. First of all, we will input the data. Here I am inputting I love India as a text for generating QR code. Our code is 29 columns and 29 rows. Next, we will enter the file name of our QR code. Here I am saving my file as india.jpg. This is the generated our QR code. Now we will check that if this file is saved in our folder where source file is saved. This is the computer coding class folder where you can see this india.jpg file. Now we will check the validity of this QR code. Here I am using my Android mobile and scanning the image, and you can see we got the same result, I love India. It means it is the correct image. Now I am using Paytm scanner to scan this image, and this is the text which we are getting, I love India. It means our program is working correctly. End of first part. In second part, we will scan this QR code and get the text. Use the capability of OpenCV to decode the QR code. First of all, we will create QR read function. In this function, we will declare file name variable as a global. Now input the QR code image file name by the user. Next, we will read the QR code file and create an image in memory. Now we will create an initialize detector object of CV2. This detector object will detect and decode our QR code image. Here we will use QR code detector function to initialize the detector object. Next, we will execute detect and decode function of detector object. Here we will pass image as an argument in this function. This function will return three values. First one is data, second one is bbox, and third one is straight QR code. Here data is decoded text and bbox straight QR code are used to draw the QR code. Here we will use data return value. Now check whether entered file is a valid QR code or not. So here we will write if bbox is not none, it means there is a box, so there is a valid QR code. If there is a QR code, then just we will print our decoded text data. Here in print I am using F. F means formatted string. Whenever we use parentheses, then we write just F. Now we will close our CV2 windows by using cv2.destroy all windows. In else section, we will write we are unable to detect any QR code. At last, we will execute our QR code read function to scan our QR code. This is the ending of our program. Now we will run the whole program containing creation and scanning. First up, enter the data for QR code, and I entered I live in Chandigarh. That will generate a QR code, and now I saved this file as punjab.jpg. This is the QR code named punjab.jpg. Now I will scan this file. So it is asking the file name. This is the second part, and I am entering punjab.jpg file name, and you can see it just decode and give I live in Chandigarh. This is our program. Thank you.